Hello everybody, I am Walt, and here we are with part 30 of 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis, an amazing life hack series all about just what I just said. Anyway, thanks for tuning in for part 30. Here we are talking about something, and this topic is all about giving yourself or somebody else an unexpected gift. Fine, it's not about yourself, it's about giving somebody else an unexpected gift. So basically, I'll explain kind of this philosophy because I've explained this one quite a bit about why this works. But here's the thing, okay? We all want gifts ourselves, okay? We want the universe to give us some stuff, be it more money, better this, better that, whatever it is. We want some stuff from the universe, okay? And our ticket to getting stuff from the universe is the subconscious mind. Not because the subconscious mind's like, oh, I'm gonna go and interface with the universe. Hey, universe, give me some stuff. Yeah, that's not how it works, you know? And it's not like the law of attraction works that way where you're just like, okay, and now I'm going to attract something, and you literally like send out some signals and pull stuff to you. I mean, if you want to believe it works that way and that builds your faith and your like belief and your ability to do that, amen to you, brother. Go ahead and do whatever there. But if you take more of the scientific angle like I do, think of it like this. The subconscious mind is a huge, huge computer, okay? And it's one that can bring you any results you want. But how you like optimize it like a search engine really is going to affect how it brings you results. So if you want to have a great search engine and you're always positive with yourself and you try to be more positive than negative, I mean, that's the key. You're not going to be positive all the time off the bat, and that's kind of an unrealistic expectation to do that. But if you're positive more than you're negative, your subconscious mind will change to become more positive, and you're going to start having a search engine like Google, where you search for something and you find what it is you want a majority of the time. This doesn't always go for, you know, googly, like kind of scholarly academic writing articles, which I hate but have to reference in my college work. But I mean, what it will do is it'll bring up a lot of the other stuff you want. And of course you can use Google Scholar or some database for that kind of stuff anyway. But basically what it's all about is that optimizing it and making your subconscious mind good makes it like Google. Now, if you don't do it right, you're going to end up with something like Bing, okay? Ain't nobody like Bing. You're going to end up with a crappy search engine. And there are like, you know, 50,000 different search engines that all suck, okay, compared to Google. So, like, this is all about how you optimize the subconscious mind. You search for something on Bing, you ain't going to get, you know, as good a thing as you might get on Google. This is how the subconscious mind is really tuned. So that basically, when you have this, okay, it's like you're searching through all these things and it's bringing you the best results for what it is you're looking for. And that's kind of just the subconscious mind in a nutshell. So then your perception of others really influences your subconscious mind's positivity and such. If you want the universe to give to you and you give to somebody else, the subconscious mind then has the idea to, or the obligation of reciprocity to return to you more than what it is you've given. This is kind of the science behind the prosperity kind of ideas and the prosperity gospel and yada yada kind of stuff. Is basically just the subconscious mind wants to return to you if you give to others, okay? Because it sees you in many others. Now this doesn't apply to every brain, but almost every person with a decent, you know, integration in a society tends to have this effect. When you give to others, your subconscious mind then aims to give to you. So if you give an unexpected gift, you not only feel good about giving a gift, but you also will receive more than you give a majority of the times in the long run. Don't expect it instantly, and don't give something out of just the, you know, demand to have more back, okay? You will get more, but give in order to give, and then ye shall receive. Anyway, that's about it for part 30. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.